Welcome to the AI feedback loop use case. This dashboard displays model predictions for revenue. The report provides customer data and past forecasted revenue. We also have access to the model's confidence score and forecasts for the next quarter. Let's use write-back inline form. As analysts, we can identify forecasts that need adjustment. Write-back allows us to update forecasts directly within Power BI. We can also provide the business context behind each change. Then, we simply submit the update. The new forecast and reason are immediately available in the report. This feedback can then be used by the AI model, helping improve future forecasting accuracy. In this case, the customer's contract is ending. Analyst input provides context that the model would otherwise miss. Write-back enables fast and effective collaboration. In just a few minutes, we can easily update a high number of predictions. No coding or complex workflows are required. Improve your AI models with write-back.